Hi, and welcome back to my English struggles. This is day 4 of my 30-day English speaking challenge. Today's topic is what makes you feel strong? Let me answer this big question by using the guiding questions as usual. Question number 1, what activity or situation makes you feel strong or powerful? Well, I feel strong when I achieve things that I didn't believe I could achieve in the first place. An example can be what I'm doing right now, shooting a video outside of my room, let's say exposing my activity to other people. They see me and maybe they wonder what is he doing and things like that. So this is something that makes me feel proud of myself and also strong because you need a mental strength to overcome your shortcomings, like social anxiety. Let's say you need a mental strength to step out of your comfort zone instead of staying at home and being comfortable. Step out and try to do something that can be valuable for you and for other people. And that's what I'm doing right now. Question number 2, is your strength more emotional, mental, physical? As you can see, I don't look the most powerful man in the world when it comes to physicalities. You see, I'm not that uh, bulk muscular. So I can only rely on my mental and emotional strength. Yes. And let's say what really define that mental and emotional strength is when I find myself in difficult situations. The first thing I do is, let's say, sometimes complain about the situation, try to find the culprit. But when I calm down, what comes really quickly, usually, I try to distance myself from the situation and try to, let's say, figure out a solution around the problem, just confront the problem, try to solve it directly. And that's how things work in our world. We cannot escape from problems and feedbacks, so we have to face them. And to do that, you need a mental strength to and emotional strength to keep your composure and try to solve it. Let's say with the skills that you have. Question number 3: how do you react when you don't feel strong? Uh, that's a big question. you know, um, it is quite normal for everyone to have doubtful days and days on which you don't feel you feel weak. You see, so in those moments, it is important to remember what you have already gone through in the past. What are your recent achievements? And remember that if you could do that, you can still do that. Like, you know, your abilities they grow when use them. They don't decrease. They decrease only if you don't use them. So you have to use your abilities in order to become better at what you do. And right now, that's what I'm doing. I know that I have quite a level, even if it is not perfect at English. If I stop speaking English, my level is going to drop down. So I needed to practice. And that's why I had to find a solution to come out and try to find someone to talk to. But what I found is just come on YouTube and try to share my speaking journey, my challenges with other people to inspire them and let them know what to do in some kind of situation in order to practice their English as well. And let's say that this is quite challenging because I'm not only trying to improve my English by challenging myself personally in my room and try to overcome my shortcomings. I'm outside shooting a video. Talking in front of camera isn't easy, and uh, it is quite stressful. Not only, but also there are a third layer of stressful, let's say, thing like the gaze of people when they look at you because you are doing something unusual. That is an extra pressure that I feel right now. But I feel like I am overcoming it, and maybe in a week or two, it won't be a burden anymore. So I'm really proud of myself today. That's what I do when I go through doubtful situations. Question number 4, and the final one: can you name a time when you surprised yourself with your strength? Of course, I think that life is full with big kind of situations. Everyone goes through days on which they feel really the strongest man or the strongest woman in the world. And it is quite normal for everyone to go through big situation. For me, it is right now. Right now, I feel really strong because I'm doing, as I already said, something unusual for me and for others around me. It is not common in my vicinity to shoot a video like this. Usually, people stay in their rooms to shoot their videos, and you can only see it on social media when you go on Facebook, Instagram, X, on YouTube. You can see. So basically, I'm doing something unusual, and this is something that makes me really feel proud because I'm not only do that, I'm also practicing my English. So I'm trying to inspire people, and I know that I'm going to inspire people. Some that are going to see what I do as something that they want to do as well. Because myself, I got inspired by some other people. Yes, I cannot really name them here because I didn't prepare anything. So I'm just going to move on. I'm trying to kill two birds with one stone, improving my English while overcoming my social anxiety. Okay, so that's it for the small questions. To sum it up, I feel strong when I step out of my comfort zone and achieve things that I didn't believe I could achieve in the beginning. When physical strength is important, yeah, I think that uh, it's much more to rely on the emotional mental strength to overcome situation because it is not in that situation that you can use your physical strength to, let's say, to come out victorious situation. You know, most of the situation will need mental and emotional strength in order to, let's say, let you come over them. Yes, it is normal sometimes to not feel strongest, but most time it is quite uh, good, convenient to remember to remind yourself of what you were capable, you were able to do in the past when and what you can do right now. That is what really matters. And a time when I felt really strong was is right now. I'm feeling strong because I'm doing something that I'm not used to do. So this is my day 4 challenge. I finished. If you enjoy the journey and want to encourage me, please subscribe, like the video, and let's say comment in the session. Give me some feedbacks, what I can improve and what I can keep going. So thank you for watching and see you for the next day of the challenge.